Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on a Google Pixel Fold. And to do this, first let's launch them, and you can do that by clicking on the settings button, then finding a system at the bottom, and here's the gestures. Now there's many different options, and we're gonna start with a quick tap to start actions. And here you can enable this feature, and there's multiple different tap back of the phone twice too, and you can pick whichever function you like. So we're gonna stay with take screenshot, and now let's try it out. And as you can see, quick tap is detected, but for some reason it doesn't take the screenshot, so let's move on. We have quickly open camera, and you can do that by pressing the power button twice in any screen, and let's try it out. And here's the camera. Moving on, we have a flip camera for selfie. To switch in and out of a selfie mode in Google Camera, double twist when you're in the app. So we need to launch the camera itself, then pick up our phone and then perform something like this. So twist your wrist and you'll be able to switch between selfie camera. Then there's system navigation, and here you can choose how to navigate your device. There's options for gesture navigations as well as the 3 buttons navigation. Difference is that when you choose gesture navigations, you won't see any buttons on the bottom of the screen. You will need to navigate using your fingers and swiping them in different directions. The other one is 3 buttons, and if you activate it, you will see 3 buttons that will help you navigate throughout your device. Moving on, we have tap to check phone, and here when you activate it, you can check time, notifications and other info by tapping on your screen while your phone is locked. Next one is lift to check phone, and when you enable it, you can also lock your device and then pick it up in the grip, like so. And it will wake up without touching any buttons or screen. Then there's flip to silence, I guess. We can click on that, enable it, and to turn on the do not disturb mode, DND, with the shortcut. Place your phone face down on a flat surface. You'll feel a subtle vibration when do not disturb mode turns on. So now that it's activated, we can put our phone onto the table, screen down, and yep, my phone just vibrated, which means I'm in do not disturb mode. And when you pick it up, it leaves it. And last is press and hold power button to either use digital assistant or call out your power menu. And if you want to call out power menu while digital assistant is activated, press the power button and the volume button at the same time. Now let's try calling out Google Assistant with that power button, and it works fine. And now let's try to call out power menu while the digital assistant is activated. So again, we need to press volume up and volume and power key, like so. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.